Hey vlog, it's Emily and I'm going to make this the start of another kind of weekly vlog. So this will be number 2 since I started back again. So my plan was to do like weekly vlogs again, but there are like some days in a week that are like really vloggable, and then there are other days where you literally don't really do much that would be interesting enough to like put in a vlog, so then you don't vlog it. And so then, you know, some weeks you vlog the whole week and some weeks you vlog only a few days and don't have a lot of content. So I've actually just been vlogging whenever something vloggable happens. And then whenever I feel like I have enough content, then I'll conjoin all of that into one sort of weekly vlog. Today I'm starting a new one and I have a few things to do today, but like not much. And then I have a few videos that I have to finish an outro so that I can post them. And then I should probably figure out a new video to start making so that I don't run out of things to post. Anyways, let's get to doing something actually fun. So don't know what's gonna happen next, but let's flip to it. Okay, the first thing I want to do is get like dressed and ready because I do have a few outros to film, so I want to look good. So I'm going to put on something cute right now. Okay, so unfortunately it is actually a few days later now. I did actually change on Sunday when I filmed the last clip, but I kind of just forgot or brushed aside the fact that I was vlogging that day, and so I didn't finish the clip. It is now Tuesday. I'm in a different outfit. Here's the outfit I changed into. Y'all have probably seen it before, but yeah, when something actually exciting happens, I'll film it. Okay, so now I'm going to take you through a few of the other things that I did this week. So first, I took a bunch of pictures of some clothes that I'm selling on my Depop, which you can go follow on Depop. And then I went on a walk in the forest. I also finally decided to paint the yellow rack that I got a while ago. It was originally yellow and I painted it white. So I just used spray paint because that's the easiest thing that I could find. It's not completely done, but this is basically what it's gonna look like. Okay, hey vlog, I'm back again. It's definitely been a few days, but I just got this in the mail and I wanted to unbox it in a vlog rather than in its own video because I want to do more of a lookbook for it. But anyways, this is a flip box if you haven't seen any of my other videos about them. So I'm gonna react to them in the vlog right now. So I'm gonna open it. Okay, here's what it looks like. Usually it doesn't have these, I guess that's new. First we have the card. So in the card it says these are some fresh looks for fall. I hope they're not too fall because I don't really like fall colors. Okay, so it looks like I have 9 items in here. Okay, so I'm gonna start here. I already know what this is. So I got this fall little bag. It's so cute. Oh, that is so cute. I have one similar to this that's like much smaller and much like cheaper, but I've been wanting one that's like nice, and this is really cute and looks like it'll fit a lot. Yeah, so it's got a little zipper and then you open it up and it's got a little pocket in there, and then it's got, you know, the big old space. And then we've got some nice like leather straps that are really comfortable. This is cute. And then next I have this big old little pouch of clothes. Okay, so I'm already seeing a few cute things. Okay, first looks really small. We have this little top. It's a little like bralette style top. It definitely is a little bit see-through, but like it's cute. It's really little though. And I like the style of it. It's cute. Okay, next, oh, we have a little skirt. This is cute. So it's a little wrap skirt, or it's a faux wrap skirt, which I actually like better because then it won't like completely open in the wind. Got a zipper on the back. It's a cute color. I like it. And it looks like I got 2 sizes in this. Oh wow. Why? What size is this? A large. Why would they send me a large? So they sent me a medium and a large. I do like it when they send multiple sizes because then maybe if one doesn't fit, I have another option. Okay, next, this one also has 2 different sizes. So it is a leopard print long dress. So all of these I had already picked out of options for them to send me from. So I had like 20, 30 things picked out. I tried to narrow it down as much as I could, and then they're just sending me things from that. So I had a long and a short version of this. They sent me the long one. It's definitely more tacky looking in person, but it's got these cute little black straps. It is a long dress. I think it has a slit. Yes, it does. So that could be cute, especially maybe with something paired under the top. So let's see, we have this one, and then they sent me another size. So here's the other one. So it looks like I have a medium and a small, which makes sense. So I'll see which one works. Either one of them could. Okay, this next one also has 2. I just realized they didn't send me the one that I really was hoping to get. Okay, this looks kind of big, but this is a little zebra cropped top. It is kind of cute. It's got little tie sleeves and it's just got zebra print. It's cute. And then I have 2 sizes, a medium and a small. So I'll see if one of those work. And so the last item is this pair of like black and white tie-dye sweatpants. Here they are. Okay, these aren't like super soft, but they seem like a nice like lasting material. They've got pockets, they got the little scrunched ends, and then a little bow in the front. They're kind of cute. And that is it. So I got 10 items total, but I think, no, okay, I got 9 items total. But that would mean that they sent me 6 different items and then like the duplicates of a few. Which I think usually they send 7 with the regular box. Anyways, I'm going to leave the try on portion for the actual video. Again, I'm doing a little lookbook. I'm going to style these using some items that I already have, go to different places, take some cute videos, and then try to do my first little lookbook for fall and for flip and stuff. And they did actually send like kind of more fall style stuff of the ones that I had chosen. So anyways, I know I'm probably gonna keep at least one of these because I have some leftover credits and stuff. We'll see what looks good on me, but definitely go make sure to watch my little lookbook that I'm doing. It might or might not be out by the time this is out, but if it is, I will link it in the corner, so make sure to go check it out. It'll be super cute and fun. But anyways, I'm gonna go try them on off camera now. Okay, so that is everything that I really vlogged. Later that week, I went to a little pumpkin patch. So this is a little corn maze that I went through. And then here's the drive back. And that's basically all of the video. So anyways, like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. And I'll see you next week. I post every Monday and Thursday. Bye.